Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're unboxing the brand new Xiaomi 17T that will be officially launched globally on May 28th, 2026. Xiaomi promises big upgrades in performance, cameras, and battery life. So let's dive in. Inside the box, we've got the Xiaomi 17T itself. A 67-watt fast charger, USB-C cable, SIM ejector tool, and paperwork. Xiaomi still includes a charger, which is great to see. Depending on the region, you might also get bundled accessories like headphones or a fitness band. The Xiaomi 17T has a sleek, modern design with flat edges and a refreshed camera module. The base model uses a durable plastic frame, while the Pro version steps up to a premium metal finish. Both feel solid in hand. Photography is a major highlight. Both models feature a Leica-tuned triple camera system, 50-megapixel main sensor with OIS, 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and up front, a 32-megapixel selfie camera for sharp portraits and video calls. The Xiaomi 17T features a 6.59-inch AMOLED display at 120 Hz, while the Pro version boasts a 6.83-inch OLED at 144 Hz with Dolby Vision and up to 3,500 nits brightness, perfect for outdoor use. Under the hood, the Xiaomi 17T runs on the Dimensity 8500 chipset, ensuring smooth performance for gaming and multitasking. The Xiaomi 17T packs a 6,500 mAh battery with 67-watt fast charging, running on HyperOS 3 based on Android 16, giving you a clean and fast experience. The Xiaomi 17T starts at €749 in EU, $878 in US, and around 35,000 pesos in the Philippines. Considering the specs, these are competitive prices for flagship level performance. So that's a new Xiaomi 17T. What do you think? Is this your next upgrade? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.